Hey guys, I'm Cubers here, back with another video. And this video is how to solve 2x2 Ortega method. And as you can see, you can get pretty fast times. So first, let's scramble up the cube. And so the first step to Ortega is making at least one bar. But I got a pretty good scramble here, so I have 3. And you just find whatever color is most put together, and you don't have to do the first layer. You just have to put together the color. So I have 3 blues here, so I just put the last blue in, like that. And then you do one of the 7 OL algorithms. But there are 2 shortcuts to the OL algorithms, and this is one of them. You just do it. And if you don't know the OL algorithms, go watch our video on OLL and PLL, because there are 2 algorithms you need to know for PLL. You need to know a T perm and a Y perm. But so first on this one, when it's a bar on the left and then 2 opposites, you just do an F, and then R prime twice, and the top is solved. And then the other is when they're a bar in front and a bar on top, just bring it to the side, do an F, and then R prime, and the top is solved. And then the next step to Ortega is PBL. You have to line up both of the layers. And so you only need to learn practically 3 algorithms here unless you don't know OLL. And this is the most common case. It's when there are 2 bars, it doesn't matter the color, you just need to find the 2 bars. Just do and then I recognize it as this bar needs to go down and then back up. And then it's solved. But then the next 2 are pretty easy to memorize. When there's just a bar, either it's on the bottom. If it's on the bottom, you just flip it up. And if it's on the top, just keep it on the top. And then you just do up, over, up, and then an F2, and then just the exact opposite, down, over, down. And it's solved. The next one, if you've tried to make checkers on a 2x2, you literally know the algorithm. So checkers here, but when there's no bars at all, just go R2, F2, R2, and it's solved. But then the other 2 cases are the T perm and Y perm. So you see that as when there's a bar here, just do the T perm. And I'm not gonna explain what a T perm is, because we have a OLL and PLL video. So if you want to, you can go watch that. And the Y perm, which is just a different algorithm, and the beginning of a T perm at the beginning, as you can see. And you see this as when there are no bars except the first layer is all matched up. So when you just need to swap all the corners around. Well, no, when you need to do a diagonal swap. So and yeah, that's how you solve Ortega. And this is I'll do another example solve. It's gonna be a slow example solve on Ortega. Actually, I don't need the timer here. So, as I can see here, I see that my red, yellow, and white are matched up, but I'm gonna go with the yellow because this is right here, and I can just put that in like that. So let's just put in the yellow, and then put in the next yellow. And it's pretty good here because now the first layer is matched up. Then you do one of the 7 OL algorithms. And then the top layer is fixed. And then I have a T perm here. Oops, I did a U3 there. But now I'll do another example solve, and I'll make sure it doesn't have a T perm or a Y perm, so it's a bit harder. Okay. And now let's go with, so yellow and green is already set up. And same with orange, so I'm gonna go with, what one would be the easiest? Oh, and blue, and orange, okay. So let's go with the yellow, because you can easily just put, okay, I'm trying to get a non-PLL algorithm, so let's just put that there. And then do a left RER prime, except with your left hand so it's opposite. And then a nice little OL. And then I know one bar is here because I was looking at it, because you know it's solved because of the beginning. And then, well, now you just flip it over because now the whole top layer is solved. And do a T perm. Okay, let's try this example solve one more time. I think I'm gonna go with white here because there it is, bar and a nice right here, and a nice white right there. So I'm actually gonna do this. Let's go like that.